In this video, we are looking at a laptop that has truly shocked everyone in a good way. We are talking about the Acer Aspire 15. So why is this special? Because it packs some serious power, the latest AMD Ryzen 5 7000 series processor, a massive 16GB of RAM and super fast 512GB SSD. We bought this machine for just 31,000 and even less than that. If you have card offers or exchange your old laptop, you can get this laptop for even lesser price. For this much power, this could be the best budget laptop you can buy right now. If you are really interested, I have provided link in the description and tagged in this video. If you have any queries related to buy any laptop, you can comment in the comment section. I will reply you there. Design and build quality. First up, let's talk about the design and feel. The Acer Aspire 15 has a very clean and simple look. It comes in a nice professional color. It looks like much more expensive laptop than it actually is. The whole body is mostly plastic, which is normal in this price range, but it feels sturdy, not flimsy. The laptop is lightweight, so carrying it to your college, office or just around the house is super easy. The hinges feel strong and you can almost open the laptop with one hand. We get a full-size keyboard here, which is excellent for long typing sessions. And a big plus, it has a backlit keyboard. That's a great feature to have when you are working late at night. The trackpad is also large and works smoothly. Overall, the design is simple, elegant and gives you a good feel for the price you pay. Coming to the performance. Now for the main event, that is performance. This is where the laptop becomes a monster for the price. Yes, it is powered by AMD Ryzen 5 7000 series processor. This CPU is powerful enough to handle all your daily tasks very fast. But the real game changer is the combination with a 16GB of RAM and 512GB SSD. With a 16GB RAM, you can open 20 Chrome tabs, run a video call like Zoom or Google Meet, and work on presentation all at the same time. And we also did not face any of the issues while multitasking. And the 512GB SSD is responsible for speed. The laptop boots up in just a few seconds and all your heavy applications open instantly. I even tried some of the apps that I have run in this, and some of the tabs I have opened like YouTube and other streaming apps, but it worked very well. It's not a gaming laptop, but for the students and office users or programmers, this amount of power is honestly more than enough, and it will keep your laptop fast for years to come. The cooling system also does a very decent job and keeping the laptop from getting too hot during heavy work. Display and visuals. Let's look into the window to your work. The display is very good. It's a 15.6-inch Full HD screen. Full HD means you get clear, sharp pictures, which is perfect for streaming your favorite shows, watching YouTube, or working with documents. For the picture quality, it is really great. The colors are decent and natural. Now, if we have to point out one thing, the brightness might feel a little low if you're sitting outside in a bright sunlight. But let's be honest, for indoor, like for your classroom, home or office, the screen is bright enough and comfortable for your eyes. We also like the bezels are quite thin on the sides, which gives you more screen space and a modern look. For this price, the Full HD display is great value and will make your movie watching experience enjoyable. Coming to the sound and onto the music and audio, the Acer Aspire 15 comes with the dual speakers. But how is the sound? The speakers are not so loud, but okay for a small room. The sound is clear for watching videos, attending online classes, or making video calls. But don't expect a lot of bass or a theater-like experience. But for the budget, the audio is clear and balanced. The built-in microphone is also good. Now, coming for the battery life, this is the real stamina test. Because the Ryzen 5 7000 series chip is a very power efficient, the battery performance is quite good. In many real world testing, I have seen on the online, because I have not heavily tested it for battery life. In all the reviews I have checked online, the laptop will easily give you around 5 to 6 hours of like battery life on a single charge. So that is good. If you're just doing simple work, you might even push it closer to 7 hours. The charging adapter is also quite small and easy to carry. This means you don't have to stay glued to a plug point all the time. So getting this kind of battery backup on a laptop this powerful at this price, it's a truly impressive thing. Overall, so what's the final word? My final word on Acer Aspire 15 is it's an absolute beast for the price. You're getting the best mix of specs for your money right now. That is for excellent Ryzen 5 7000 series processor, fantastic 16 GB of RAM, and a quick 512 GB SSD. It has a good design, a clear screen for indoor use, and a solid battery life. So if you are a student, a professional, or a home user looking for a laptop that is fast, reliable, and will last you for next 4 to 5 years without slowing down, then stop searching and go and buy this laptop. This is the best value for money laptop you can buy. If you're thinking of buying it, I have provided link in the description and also tagged in this video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.